Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Thotakura curry. To begin, ensure you have one large bunch of fresh Thotakura, meticulously washed and finely chopped. You'll also need one medium onion, finely chopped, and 2 to 3 green chilies, slit. For tempering, prepare 1 teaspoon each of mustard and cumin seeds, plus a pinch of asafoetida. Finally, gather 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. These simple ingredients form the delicious foundation of our curry. Now, let's start the cooking process. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter, then introduce 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida. Next, add your finely chopped onions, sautéing them gently until they become beautifully translucent, which takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, toss in the slit green chilies and cook for another minute to release their fragrant spice. It's time to add our star ingredient. Carefully add the finely chopped Thotakura leaves to the pan, stirring them well to ensure they are coated with the aromatic base. Now, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste, mixing everything thoroughly. Cover the pan and let the curry simmer gently on low to medium heat for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. The Thotakura will naturally release its moisture and cook down, becoming wonderfully tender and flavorful. To finish our delicious Thotakura curry, check the tenderness of the leaves and adjust the salt or any other seasoning to your preference. If there's any excess moisture, simply cook it uncovered for a few more minutes until it evaporates, concentrating the flavors. For an extra touch, you can garnish with fresh coriander leaves. This vibrant and nutritious curry is best served hot alongside steamed rice, warm roti, or soft chapati for a truly satisfying and wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.